Hello, welcome to our before after image slider app guideline video. Install the app, you need to agree and add in your weak side. The app is right now added in our weak side. Configuring the app right now, and the app added a before after image slider add component. Resize the before after image slider. We can see our image slider component is fully responsive. So right now we are opening our settings panel. With this settings panel, we will fully customizable our beep slider. So right now we are see the core configuration are horizontal and vertical slider. If user need the initial handler in customization, they can also. So for initial, I go for the middle, and if anyone want to go the media panel, they can see the all text for before and after all. So now we are added our before after image sliders images. So go to the site file and we can see there are two images there. So one image for before, one image for before, and another image for after we are uploading right now. So we can see there two both image are right now there. And now go to the customization level. If user want to the level are customizable, so we can write here dirty curve and wash curve. User can also change the level position, and if user want to more customization in the level, go for the enable. Then user can customizable the level color, text all be resizable, and also width also. If user want to add it more corner radius, they can also do that, and they can also change the level x-axis and y-axis padding. So we are right now go so much big. Okay, and change also the level opacities. And if any user want to add it the glass effects, they can also use those, and add also some gradient color also the customizable. So I gave the gradient color there. So that's it. Then we can go our next configuration, which is interactive. If user give the enable option the mouse hover, so on mouse hover we can see the slider is automatic moving. It will we are seeing in our preview. So now we are go to the layout. If user want to give more radius corner to our slider, they can also customize that. And it also can change the border, color, and width also. So initially we are going for 0 right now. And user can also change their handler templates. We are giving 9 templates right now. So those are our templates of the handlers. So handler sizing also be customizable. And if any user want to more customizable the handlers, they can go for enable option, and they can add the line color and change the opacities also, and adding the lines also the glass effect if anyone. And they can also change the wheel color also if we are going for the, and they have also some extra features like gradient color if the line color is a want to gradient, and wheel color also be glass effect also we have. So the last filter and effect. So the filter effect for the image. If any user want to change the opacities the before and after. They can also do that with our app and also add some blur effect with the before image and the after image. If any user wants to customizable filter like dark, they can also change more and more customizable effect and with also custom CSS also. Same also the After Effect. So if user facing any problem, go for the support. So right now we are go for the preview, the app. So this is our preview app. So we have selected the interactive mouse hover. So with the mouse hover, the slider is moving. So now we are going down. Edit side. If user want to more edit our before after slider elements, go for the install app and drag and drop our new sliders. So right now we'll go our preview slider page. Go to the app manager and we can see the before after image slider here. Open the before after image slider dashboard. If user want to practice, so add a new slider and customizable with our dashboard also. But it's only for preview, not added in our live site in weeks. So user can practice and customization sub planning for the before after image slider in there. So that's all. If you need any query, you can go for our support session.